The View SpO2 Deluxe Pulse Oximeter boasts a dual-color high-resolution OLED display that is easy to read. It offers multiple display modes, showing SpO2 levels, pulse rate, pulse bar, and plethysmogram. With its low power consumption and auto-off function, this device can operate for approximately 30 hours under normal conditions. It is designed to accommodate a wide range of finger sizes, from pediatric to adult, making it suitable for users of all ages. The clear display and user-friendly features make it a convenient and reliable tool for monitoring oxygen saturation levels and pulse rates, whether for medical professionals or individuals monitoring their own health. The View SpO2 Deluxe Pulse Oximeter provides accurate and easy-to-read results in a compact and portable design.